Crying is how babies communicate, and it can leave any parent feeling helpless. But today, we'll show you proven ways to calm a crying baby, fast. Take a deep breath, grab that cold coffee, and let's fill your parenting toolkit with real solutions. First up, the hold made famous by Dr. Robert Hamilton. It's a simple, effective way to calm a fussy baby. Gently fold your baby's arms across their chest, support their chin and bottom, and hold them at a 45-degree angle. Rock gently. The pressure and angle help most babies settle almost instantly. It's a quick, safe trick that works wonders for gas and fussiness. Try it at your next family gathering. You'll look like a baby whisperer. You're welcome. Babies are used to noise. The womb is loud. White noise mimics that comfort. Use a hairdryer, vacuum, or a fan, or make a firm shh sound near your baby's ear, louder than their cry at first. Gradually quiet your shushing as they calm. This rhythmic sound triggers their calming reflex. It may feel silly, but it works. When one trick isn't enough, try the 5 S's by Dr. Harvey Karp. Swaddle, side stomach position for holding only. Shush, swing, and suck. Swaddle snugly, hold your baby on their side or stomach, never for sleep. Shush near their ear, gently jiggle or swing, and offer a pacifier or clean finger to suck. Each step mimics the womb and soothes your baby. Combine them for maximum effect. It's a game changer for intense crying. Practice makes perfect. Soon, you'll know exactly what your baby needs. Before anything else, check the basics: hunger, diaper, comfort, and gas. Offer a feed, change the diaper, check for temperature or scratchy tags. Burp your baby or gently bicycle their legs to relieve gas. Sometimes the simplest fix is all it takes. Be a detective. Start with the basics. Skin-to-skin contact is powerful for calming and bonding. Place your diapered baby on your bare chest, cover with a blanket, and relax. Your warmth, heartbeat, and scent help regulate their body and soothe them. Dads, this works for you too. When nothing else works, try skin-to-skin. Babies sense your stress. If you're overwhelmed, take a break. Hand off the baby or put them safely in their crib for a few minutes. Breathe deeply and reset. Speak gently, even if you're faking calm at first. Your calm presence reassures your baby. You are their safe space. Every baby is different, but now you have a toolbox of calming tricks. Be patient with your baby and yourself. This phase will pass. You're doing an amazing job. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tips. You've got this, and you're not alone.